Our near-term goal is to basically increase production by close to another 50% and take us up to the 3,000 barrels of oil equivalent per day level. That would come close to filling the current capacity in our gas plant. We would then look to expand that further.
All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Corey Ratan. He is the CEO of Alvo Petro Energy. And Corey, it's great to see you again. How are you?
I'm well, thank you, Steve.
Good to have you along. And the company out with news today, giving a production update, a financial update, and a production and in the field update as well. Everything's been updated, which is good. So let's start on the business side of things. Your production numbers you've released for the quarter, very strong once again, Corey.
Yeah, no, we'd previously announced the Q3 production, so that was up 29% quarter over quarter, up to just over 2,100 barrels of oil equivalent per day. That helped us increase our funds flow from operations quarter over quarter by 25%, up to nearly $10 million US for the quarter. We had our realized natural gas price in the quarter was almost $11 US per MCF. So if you put that into perspective, I've been looking at some of the natural gas weighted Canadian peers. Our price is over 10 times what's being posted in the results from our peers in Canada. So that helps drive some pretty strong profitability per unit of production. Our operating netbacks were over US $59 per BOE, which represents an 89% operating profit margin. So that's about as good as it gets in our industry. And that's really helping continue our dividend policy and our funding our organic growth strategy going forward.
Yeah, you also were able to provide an operational update as well. I know it's really busy on the ground, so maybe give us a quick update on what's going on there as well.
Yeah, the exciting thing is we recently announced a very positive result from a well that we call 183A3 on a 100% working interest project that sits just immediately north of our core project area. It's called Murucututu. And that well alone accounted for about 20% of our October production, and it continues to perform extremely strongly as we move into November here. So it'll be exciting to see how much it accounts for in November.
Yeah, is that something that you think you can improve on some of these numbers that we saw? Because as I mentioned, they're very good. So you feel that with the addition of this one and increases that you can see more of that coming?
Yeah, our near-term goal is to basically increase production by close to another 50% and take us up to the 3,000 barrels of oil equivalent per day level. That would come close to filling the current capacity in our gas plant. We would then look to expand that further. And some of the near-term things we're doing is, along with our partner on our core asset, Caburé, we're going to drill 5 development wells, probably starting early next year. And then to follow up on that recent success at the 183A3 well, we're planning on drilling a follow-up development well just to the south of it off of an existing well pad. It's all pipeline connected into existing infrastructure already. And hopefully we can follow up on that positive result with another good well. And I think we'll be getting very close to our objective with all that.
Yeah, and Corey, is the objective to obviously be able to self-fund everything that you want to do as far as growth and expansion is concerned?
Yeah, no, we've got no debt outstanding. We've got a very
Yeah.
strong balance sheet, lots of cash and working capital, and obviously, if you annualize that funds flow from operations result this quarter, that's nearly $40 million US a year of cash flow. So we feel strongly that we're in a good position to fund this all organically. And if we wanted to accelerate it further, we have certainly the ability to access the debt capital market, given that we're debt-free right now.
Absolutely. Corey, thanks so much. Really good update, and congratulations on the numbers, okay?
All right, well, thank you for your time, and yeah, look forward to the next time.
Sounds good. Look forward to it as well. Corey Ratan, the CEO of Alvo Petro Energy.